Hello class 10. So today we'll discuss the first chapter from your economic books, development. See students, different people can have the different development goal. What may be the development for one may not be the development for the other person. It may even be destructive for the others. Now we'll see the income and the other goals. People want more income, money, or the material things that one can buy with it is one factor on which our life depends. However, the quality of our life also depends on the non-material things such as the equal treatment, freedom, security, and respect for the others. For development, people look at a mix of goals. The development goals are not only about better income but also about the other important things in life. Now we'll see what is the national development. National development, different persons could have the different as well as conflicting notions of countries development. How to compare the different countries or states? To compare countries, their income is considered to be one of the most important attributes. Countries with a higher income are more developed than others with less income. As different countries have the different populations, comparing total income will not tell us what an average person earns. So we compare the average income of the countries. What is the average income is? Average income is the total income of the country divided by its total population. It is also called per capita income. How do we calculate the per capita income? Average income equals to total income of the country divided by the total population of the country. In World Development Reports, per capita income is used in classifying the countries. So in countries with the countries with the per capita income of US is $12,056 per annum and above in 2017 are called the rich countries, and countries with per capita income of the US $1955 or less are called the low income countries, for example India. Okay, so on that basis we calculate the rich countries and the low income countries. Income and the other criteria. When we think of a nation or a region beside average income, public facilities are equally significant attribute. Public facilities, these are the services provided by the government to its citizens. Some of the important public facilities include the infrastructure, sanitation, public transport, healthcare, etc. That's it for now, student. In my next class, I'll talk about the sustainability of development.